Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off or on your lane assist on your Volkswagen ID4. Now the lane assist is the camera that kind of keeps you in between the lanes, and it will kind of pull on your steering wheel to keep you in between the lanes. But sometimes, it thinks it sees, a line in the road and might pull you one way you don't want to go. Or also, if you go to make a lane change without using your blinker, it can pull against you there as well. So I mean, up to you whether you want to have it on or off. But I'm just going to show you how to turn it off or on. So just from your regular screen here, you'll see on the top you have assistant systems. You can just click on that, and that'll bring up this menu here. And then you can come into lane assist, turn it on or turn it off. They also got other functions in here, your speed warning, your front assist, travel assist. Also, you can do the same thing here, kind of with this image view. You might open it up and this might be on here, and you can turn on your lane lane assist here. I might turn it off though. Or you got front assist. You kind of have different options here, basically just pictures of how to do it, but the list is right here. And you can also do adaptive cruise control, travel assist, and the lanes change side assist. I like to keep that one on. It's just where your lights come on your on your mirrors when someone's in your blind spot. All right, I want to thank you for watching this video today. I hope you found this video helpful and you have a great day.